friends, my name is Neha and Holi is just round the corner. So today I am going to show you how to make Holi colors at home with just 3 materials easily available at home. Let's take corn flour, water, chandan powder and food color. I have taken liquid food color, you can take dry also. Put corn flour in a bowl, add few drops of color into it and then add water. We need to add water very less as we are making the mixture semi-dry. You need to mix small quantity of water and mix it well easily in the whole mixture. Once it's done, keep the mixture in sunlight for an hour and once it's dry, put it into the mixer grinder and grind it properly. Now your Holi colors are ready. Just put some chandan powder in it for the fragrance. You can skip this if you don't have chandan powder. You can use essential oil or talcum powder also. Same way, make the Holi colors with different shades. Enjoy Holi organically. Wish you all a very happy Holi.